Hello, can you see the setting sun behind me? Yes, my dear friends, you can see that it's the truth of the world. Everyone worships the rising sun. But does anyone worships the setting sun? It's the truth and it's the harsh reality that people today just worship those who are successful in their careers and their lives. And I'm trying to develop a skill among you, the skill of speaking English. Because English is not just a language, it will help you to achieve your goals and your dreams. Many people are successful because of the skills of speaking just English in their language. See, I will tell you the story. You all might have heard the story of Saurav Joshis and Manoj Day and many successful YouTubers, as well as many IES. You all might watch the movie of 12th Fail, right? There also, what did you notice? One thing was common. The common thing was that all the peoples had faced or tasted the success only after failing multiple times. If you are afraid of failing, then you won't be able to achieve anything because success comes to those who only runs after their dreams. This is the life. Life has many ups and downs. So be confident and try to develop your inner strength that will give you a courage to stand and compete with the world. The world is a bit tough. It won't let you to survive, but you have to struggle hard. Every time it tries to push you down, you have to fight against it. See, my channel, Dhurandhar of English, is just not a channel to teach you to speak English, but I will also try to develop the confidence, inner confidence among you. I will try to build that confidence within you so that you can compete in the world. Before making this channel, I was also quite afraid. I thought whether the viewers would like or not because many of the people are used to watching the comedy movies and serials and comedy videos. So some of the people suggested me that who will watch your videos because you are making an educational videos and people don't prefer educational videos. I felt a bit hesitated, but I knew that I should give it a try. At Instagram also, you all might have seen that many of the trending reels are there that says पहले बनाओ कुछ फिर कुछ अच्छा करना पहले बनाओ कुछ फिर कुछ अच्छा करना पहले बनाओ कुछ फिर कुछ अच्छा करना. So similarly, all these lines also tries and gives me motivation. And because of that, today I have taken this decision and as I have started my channel. Many of the peoples are already benefiting from this channel. So this is a small message. In this channel, I'll teach you many of the strategies how to build attitude among yourself, how to build confidence, how to develop the inner skills, and what are the steps that you should follow. Because journey starts, it never ends. Every day is a new day. It tries to teach you something. The thing is that whether you are able to catch it or not. Because if you realize that every day brings out a new hope, just like the rising sun, I told you, it brings in a new hope among you. So if you are ready to build that hope among yourself, I'll be there to assist you. Many of the channels are there. I know that. I'm not afraid of that. But I knew that you will trust me and kindly try to share this channel among your friends, family members, etc. so that it builds a confidence among me and I can also feel motivated to sort my inner skills and share among you all. Thank you. That's all.